Hey everybody, so here we are, we're getting ready to finally install the SuperSprint headers for my Cayenne GTS. So right now I have both air boxes out, all the trim around the engine out. I'm in the works of taking loose the current exhaust manifolds while I can try to do this without removing the engine. So that's going to be my goal, and as I take things apart, I want to add to this video. But right now, we're at the point of getting the headers loose to get ready to put the new ones in and hope for the best. All right, so now we're moving on to the next part. We've got the fender liners out. I removed this heat shield that lives right in here between the engine and the fender, so I could have some better access to here, to my rear O2 sensor and the top of the catalyst. I also have to get to all my manifold bolts so I can get those out. And at the same time, while I'm doing this, I'm also having to replace the O-rings on my vacuum pump there where I have a bit of an oil leak. So now we're going to continue on and try to get the catalyst undone from the manifold and then get the manifold out of the car. So that's next. It seems a little counterintuitive here, but when you're putting headers in on these SuperSprints with each individual pipe on the passenger side of this GTS, you have to start with the first cylinder and then do the last and then do the middle too. And then you can slip your collector on. All right, so here we are. We've got all 4 pipes in on the passenger side. Now we're getting ready to slip on the collector, and then we'll move on to the other side of the car. Hey everybody, welcome back. So right now what I'm getting ready to do is put together these headers for my Porsche Cayenne. So the other side's already put together, and this one I'm going to do next. So I've already test fitted everything. So now what I have to do is assemble the collector. So what I have to do here is put these on, and then set this on here, and he's set with the notches facing upwards. Now we're going to start with my collector right here, and we have a tab here, and we have a matching tab right here. So what we're going to do is slide this together so that, and these all fit kind of one way and no other way, and you can build them in a couple different configurations, or not configurations, you can build them, put them together a couple different ways, but they only fit one way. So now we can see those two kind of lay in there like that. Now, this is kind of a challenge because these do only fit one direction. So you have to make sure that you fit them in there the right way. We know that's not right because the way it lays in there. Now for sure this one fits right here because of the tab, so there's no other way that one can fit. Now this one, however, so those two fit together. And then that one. Now the first thing I need to do here, or I should be doing, is make sure that these gaskets fit over the tubes. And they do. Alright, so it seems like this side's going to be a little bit more of a pain than the other side was, but we're there. Here we go.